This is Shelly Craft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference in New York City. I have with me Ian Parker from Emerald Organic Products. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is EMOR. Ian, welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you very much, Shelly.
It's good to have you.
Pleasure.
My pleasure. Let's get started with a brief overview of the company for our audience.
Sure. EMOR, Emerald Organic Products, is a publicly traded company on the OTC markets. Through our Pura Vida flagship brand, we provide health and wellness products, specializing really in CBD products.
So give me a little bit of history behind the company.
Sure. The management team comes out of much larger brands, Metrics, EAS, Godiva, Lindt Chocolates, Coca-Cola Enterprises, and various other large brands. We launched last year. We basically gathered the entire team last year. Our goal was to launch our products last year. We had some issues with the immature CBD supply chains, so we went vertical. We went down to the farm level. So every product you see from Pura Vida is verified farm to label.
You know, my question is, what's your competitive advantage? And I think I heard a little bit of it, but you tell me.
That is our competitive advantage. It's really three things. One, our team. Our team is best in class. Two, the fact that we went down to the farm level and everything is verified seed to label. And three, the distribution that we have because of the expertise on this team and because of the trust we have with those distributors is second to none.
What are some of your products?
We have tinctures, we have gummies, and actually our gummies just won the best non-chocolate award at the Candy Association.
Check that box.
So
right?
check that box. And I will also say that CBD is a very tough flavor profile to work with, so it's not something you want to eat by the teaspoonful. So it took a while to get there, and the fact that we were able to do it and still win the best tasting award is pretty impressive.
Let's talk about the competitive landscape, because it's growing in that industry.
It is, but the truth is that 85% of the companies out there are not our competition. They're not. They were doing cryptocurrencies last year. They really have they don't even know how to spell nutraceutical. So we're only really competing with the upper echelon, which is the 15% that are out there that are doing it right and not making any medical claims. They know how to produce a good quality product that tastes good and is going to deliver a good user experience.
What would you describe as your target market?
Our target market right now is really anybody who's interested in holistic health and wellness. So that market is growing. It used to be really focused on yoga moms, right? But now these days it's pretty much everybody. It's really growing very quickly.
What's your background?
My background, I've done nutraceuticals in my life. I've run a number of large brands. I've also been involved in investment banking. I've also had a family office that I've run.
So as a public company, from what you could tell me based on press releases already out, what are some growth drivers coming?
The biggest growth drivers for us, obviously, we signed a deal with Sports and Wellness. That particular group has a huge network of distributors and retailers that will eventually come into the fold. We're in the process of educating those retailers on our products right now, and we expect very good results towards the end of the year. We also have a mucosal delivery system. That is a patented technology. Nobody else will have that, and that will allow us to deliver an exact dose of CBD in bypassing the digestive tract and basically less irritation, more rapid release.
Ian, let's get your website out for the audience, if you would.
Sure. PuraVidaVitamins.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ian Parker, Emerald Organic Products. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is EMOR. I'm Shelly Craft. This is SNN Live. We're coming to you from the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference in New York City. Ian, thanks so much for coming on.
Appreciate it.